Today I'm going to take you through the best power spin microfiber mop set. I'll take you through what's in the box, how to assemble the mop, and how to use the set. Inside the box, you'll find the power spin mop bucket, the mop pole, which will be in two sections, the top handle and bottom handle, the microfiber mop head pads. There will be two of these in the box, the mop head attachment, and instructions on how to put together and use the mop. To assemble the mop pole, I'm starting with the mop head attachment. Start by unscrewing the fitting, which works similar to a hose fitting. Then slide the bottom of the mop handle into the fitting and tighten. You should be able to pull on the head and the pole without them coming apart. Next, screw on the top handle tightly. Remove the mop head pad from the packaging. Make sure you shake out the microfiber strands so the plastic disc underneath is exposed. To attach the mop head, line up the plastic disc and firmly click it into place. This may require a bit of force. Add your favourite floor cleaner and then fill the bucket with water to the maximum water level sign. It's important not to under or overfill the bucket. Too little water won't hold the bucket stable, and too much could cause the water to splash out when you agitate the mop. When lifting the bucket, be sure to use the handle with one hand and place the other hand under the bucket for stability. To wet the mop head, you'll need to line up the hold on the underside of the mop head with the agitator in the bucket. Once the handle is latched, you'll be able to pump the handle up and down to agitate the mop head. Do this 3 to 4 times. Now lift the mop head out of the agitator and out of the water chamber and into the wring chamber, ensuring all the mop head fibres are inside the chamber. Pump the handle 1 to 3 times for heavy duty mopping, leaving more water on the mop head, or 5 times for a lighter, drier clean. Extend the handle to your desired length and then snap the lock into place. To mop, pivot the mop head on an angle. It's normal that some force may be required to change this handle position. When it's time to use your mop refill, pull firmly to separate the refill from the mop head. Place the new mop refill onto the mop head and secure it. This may require a bit of force to click it into place. I hope you enjoy using your best power spin microfiber mop set. If you have any questions about your mop, please contact us through our website bestclean.co.nz.